So a certain amount of money amounts to rupees 720 in 2 years and rupees 870 in 4.5 years. Find the rate of interest if it is simple interest reckoned. So everything is in simple interest calculations. So in 2 years, it is becoming 720. In 4.5 years, it is becoming what? 4.5 years, it is becoming 870. So what we will write? So amount in 2 years, which is principal plus simple interest for 2 years, which is equals to amount in 2 years is 720, and principal means principal only. Simple interest for 2 years. Simple interest for 2 years is 2 times of simple interest for 1 year. We already discussed. In the same way, amount in 4.5 years is equals to principal plus simple interest of 4.5 years. So that will be equals to 870 is equals to principal plus 4.5 is nothing but 9/2. Simple interest for 1 year. Right? So what I am doing, subtracting. When I subtract 720 minus 870, that will become 150. P and P gets cancelled. 2 minus 9/2. So that will be 5/2. So minus 5/2 into simple interest for 1 year. So minus minus gets cancelled. 5 ones are 5 threes are. So simple interest for 1 year, you are getting what? 60. Now what I am doing here, next, this is, if I say equation 1, this is equation 2. So put equation 3 in equation 1. So what I'll get? 720 is equals to principal plus 2 times of simple interest for 1 year, which is 60. So from this principal, 120 minus means it will become 600. So asking for what? Rate. We already know simple interest for 1 year is equals to 60, means simple interest for 1 year means which will be what? Principal, which is 600 into 1 year means time period is what? 1. Rate of interest R by 100 is equals to 60. So 100, this cancel. 6 ones are 6 tens are. So what we are getting finally, rate of interest is 10%. Rate of interest is 10%. Okay, we will move to the next. So the simple interest on a certain sum of money for 4 years at 15% per annum is 180 rupees more than simple interest on same sum for 5 years at the rate of 10% per annum. So find the sum. So what we can do here, certain sum of money. We don't know certain sum of money. So let us suppose certain sum of money is what? P. Invested for 4 years at 15% per annum is 180 more than same sum. That means that is P only. So simple interest on first part minus simple interest on the second part. The difference between the first and second is what? 180. So principal is same, P into time period is 4 years. Rate of interest is 15%, 15/100 minus principal is same, time period is 5 years. Rate of interest is 10%. So that is equals to 180. So 60p minus 50p and 100 goes to that side. That will be 180 into 100. So that will be equals to 10p is equals to 180 into 100. So 0 gets cancelled. Principal is equals to 1800. Principal equals to 1800. So option choice C.